everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on a mission for glowing, gorgeous skin. And guess what? You don't need a million fancy products to get it. We're diving into my favorite home remedies, the kind of stuff you can whip up in your kitchen that will give you that lit from within radiance in just 1 week. Trust me, your skin is going to thank you. Let's get started. Okay, first up, we're talking about a classic honey and lemon. You guys know I'm obsessed with honey. It's basically liquid gold for your skin. It's naturally antibacterial, so it's amazing for fighting breakouts. Plus, it draws moisture from the air, so it's super hydrating. Now, the lemon is our secret weapon for brightening. It has natural enzymes that gently exfoliate, getting rid of all those dead skin cells that make your complexion look dull. To make this mask, all you need is 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Make sure it's raw. And a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix it up, slap it on your face, and chill for 15 to 20 minutes. While you wait, maybe catch up on your Insta, because why not? Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and say hello to brighter, more even-toned skin. Next, we're going to India. Well, not really, but we are using one of their best-kept beauty secrets, turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. It's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can calm down redness and irritation like a dream. And to balance out the turmeric, we're adding some creamy, dreamy yogurt. Yogurt is naturally rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling baby soft. For this mask, grab 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Mix it into a beautiful golden paste and smooth it all over your face. Now, turmeric can stain a little bit, so maybe wear an old t-shirt you don't mind getting a little messy. You know, just in case. Leave this mask on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You'll be obsessed with how radiant and healthy your skin looks. Let's talk about aloe vera, the ultimate SOS for your skin. It's like a tall glass of water for your face, instantly hydrating and plumping up those skin cells. Aloe is a miracle worker when it comes to soothing irritation, redness, and even sunburns. It's like a calming hug for your skin. Now, I always prefer using fresh aloe vera gel straight from the plant. If you have an aloe plant at home, just snip off a leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the gel. Apply that directly to your face and let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have an aloe plant, no worries. You can find pure aloe vera gel at most drugstores. Just make sure you pick one that's free of any added fragrances or alcohol. Trust me, your skin will thank you for keeping it simple. Chapter 4, Cucumber and Milk Toner. Hydration and a gentle cleanse. You know those times when your skin is freaking out and you just need to calm it down? Well, this cucumber and milk toner is about to become your new BFF. Cucumber is like a tall drink of water for your skin, instantly hydrating and refreshing. Plus, it's naturally cooling, so it helps to reduce any puffiness or inflammation. Then we have milk, which might sound a little strange, but trust me on this one. Milk is full of lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps to brighten and even out your skin tone. To make this toner, blend half a cucumber with 2 tablespoons of milk. I like to use almond milk, but any kind will do. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve to get rid of any chunks. Then, soak a cotton pad in the toner and gently swipe it all over your face. Let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Your skin will feel so soft, hydrated, and balanced. Plus, it's such a refreshing treat, especially on a hot day. Okay, let's talk about exfoliation, because babe, we need to scrub away those dead skin cells to reveal the radiant, glowing skin underneath. And what better way to do it than with a gentle DIY oatmeal and honey scrub? Oatmeal is a natural exfoliant, but it's super gentle, so it's perfect even for sensitive skin. It helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping away your skin's natural oils. And of course, we have our girl honey again. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, so it leaves your skin feeling super soft and supple. To make this scrub, combine 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix it well and then gently massage it onto your face in circular motions for about 5 minutes. Don't scrub too hard. We want to be gentle with our skin. Rinse it off with warm water and get ready for that super smooth, baby soft feeling. Now it's time to bring in the tropical vibes with this amazing papaya and honey mask. Papaya is seriously underrated in the skincare world. It's packed with an enzyme called papain, which is a natural exfoliant that helps to break down dead skin cells and brighten up your complexion. Plus, papaya is rich in vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants that help to protect your skin from environmental damage. And, you guessed it, we're adding honey to the mix again because it's amazing. Honey's hydrating and antibacterial properties make it the perfect partner in crime for papaya. To whip up this mask, mash a small piece of ripe papaya with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes. While you're waiting, imagine yourself relaxing on a tropical beach, soaking up the sun, with SPF, of course. Rinse off the mask with warm water and marvel at your glowing, radiant skin. Last but not least, we have the easiest and most refreshing DIY of them all: rose water spray. Rose water is my go-to for a quick pick-me-up throughout the day. It's super gentle and incredibly hydrating, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Plus, it smells amazing. Like, seriously, who doesn't love the smell of roses? You can find rose water at most health food stores or online. Just make sure you choose one that's 100% pure and organic. Pour the rose water into a spray bottle and spritz it on your face whenever your skin needs a little boost of hydration. You can even keep it in your purse and use it throughout the day to refresh your makeup. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this little luxury. And there you have it, my loves. 7 amazing home remedies for glowing skin that you can easily incorporate into your weekly routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. So, pick your favorites from this list and make them a regular part of your self-care routine. Thanks for watching. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you in the next video.